fresh potato noodle. We're gonna try this to make a potato lo mein. Let's look at the ingredient in here. It said wheat flour with potato starch, cornstarch, salt, and water. Right, so we're gonna put this in boiling water, and then we're gonna saute the noodles. With the potato noodle, I took some tofu, drain it, and then cut it, and now I'm gonna fry it. Just gonna go into our potato noodle. Takes about only 2 minutes on each side. So just flip it. See, lightly golden. So like this piece right here is nicely golden. You can see. You don't have to be perfectly golden because we're going to saute the tofu up again. You can buy any brand you like in your tofu. We have our boiling water. Now we're going to put our potato noodles in here. We're going to boil this 3 to 5 minutes. So leave on high. Just agitate it a little bit. It's been 5 minutes. Let's taste the noodle. Make sure it's cooked. Nice and soft. Oh yeah, it's cooked. We're going to drain it now. 1 tablespoon sugar. Fish sauce. We're going to do 2 tablespoons. This for color, the sweet soy sauce I have here. It's thick and very beautiful in color. And that is 2 tablespoons. My favorite golden mountain seasoning sauce. It's like a soy sauce but lighter in sodium than Kikkoman. So I have 2 of this. Has a nice taste. And then 2 Kikkoman soy sauce. Two Kikkoman soy sauce. A little pepper. You can put as much pepper as you like. I like the 2 combination of white pepper and black pepper. And then don't forget your brand of oyster sauce. I already pour it out into a bowl. It'll be easier to scoop it out. So 2 tablespoons of oyster. And we're going to mix all this together. In a big skillet, we're going to put in garlic as much as you like. I'm going to do extra garlic because we like garlic. You don't have to wait for your oil to get hot. You want to saute it when it gets lightly brown. Your garlic is lightly brown here. You want to add in your noodles now. The noodles. And we're going to cook it on medium low. Move this around so the garlic won't burn. Now we're going to get the sauce. Let's turn this noodle over. See? Nice and golden. You can see from the garlic. We'll turn on to medium high now. This is how you get nice flavor on the noodle. Let it cook low, infuse it with the garlic. Now I have it on high. I'm going to start sprinkling some of the sauce. Sprinkle it over the noodle. And add some pepper. If you like to add pepper, add pepper. Or if you don't have to. And now I'm going to toss the noodle. Where this white spot, just add more sauce in. Now we're going to toss some noodles. You see how it gets that nice caramelization if you don't move your noodles too much. So with the noodles white, just add more sauce. So our heat's on high, so that way we can get our noodle to crisp up a little bit. So we're gonna let this noodle sear a little bit before we flip it. You see how that looks? Isn't that beautiful? Now you want to taste the noodle. See if you need more sauce or it's good enough. Okay, the saltiness is good, but just need a hint of sugar. So a teaspoon in here. Okay, now we can remove the noodles and saute our veggie. Now we do our veggie. Add our sauce in. Add our tofu. We're going to cook our tofu first because tofu is pretty bland. So it will take on the flavor whatever you put in for your sauce. So we're going to let it simmer in here for a few minutes before we add our veggie. So I have it on low right now, so we don't burn our garlic. Now we can add whatever veggie you want to add into your lo mein. Here I have celery and carrots. But pretty much any veggie you like. I'm going to cover this so that way the carrots and the celery will cook in just a few minutes. And always cook on low. You don't want anything to burn. Our veggies should be done. This looks so good. Look at that. The tofu sauce has seeped in. Veggies cooked. You see the caramelization here on the noodle? This is so nice. You're gonna mix in your veggie. I'll just toss our veggie and we're good to go. You can add green onion in here or cilantro, whatever you like for your aromatics. Look at our sweet potato lo mein. This is made out of sweet potato and wheat starch and vegetarian with tofu. Let's taste. I love it that look at the caramelized noodle. Let's taste this by itself. So chewy and bouncy. Great umami flavor. Let's try the tofu. Takes on the flavor whatever you put in your sauce. Delicious. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.